Another way to add information to the system is via comments. And so you will notice there's a comments, a little section here. There's also on the taskbar on the right hand side comments. They do exactly the same thing. Whether you click that button or that button, it will get you to the same place. So comments are like little sticky notes that you put somewhere to remind you of things. So they are a generic function throughout the system, and you can just make, if you click on new, there will be a type of that you can specify. Okay, we just added some default types, and then you can type in any comment. So conducted a site visit to check category or land use, found illegal uses, whatever. You can add whatever you want, and it will then record that under comments for you. Okay, and yes.
Sorry, that sticky note, is it just for me?
No, so what you will notice here's everybody's comments. Okay, you can't delete other people's comments or edit other people's comments. Okay, so the whole idea here is sort of more collaboration, so that whether you make the comment there, in 5 years' time somebody else can see, oh yes, there was something done here. So that's the whole principle. Okay, so that you can just it builds institutional knowledge essentially. And so comments are really just a way you can, it's very flexible. You can decide how you operate it, and we can set specific types that you see. So if you as a department want to set specific types of comments so that it's categorized, you can go and do that. Okay, so unlike the document that you uploaded that you maybe can't delete, you can delete your own comment. If you have got the right to delete your comments, because we can take that away too. You must be thankful for the things you have. So I can delete my comment, and I'll illustrate to you why I deleted it now. So that will take my comment away. I can't delete anybody else's comment or edit their comments. Okay. So, yes. Yeah.
Can apply to the other
documents.
Attachments.
Documents are slightly a bit different.
The same principle where you can delete yours, not the other.
Documents are slightly a bit different. So in terms of how they're stored. Okay, so we don't. I've made a note. We'll see if irrespective of whether you can delete or not delete, or if you delete. Okay, the next thing is the audit trail. Okay, so if you delete your file, we give you the right to delete your file, the audit trail is going to record it anyway. Okay, so if you top left, there's an audit trail button. The audit trail keeps track of everything. Okay, and so there you will see the various actions that has taken place. This was as part of the first bits are mostly done by the administrator as we started uploading data, so, and as things changed, so for example, the second last one, there's the administrator on 26 December was uploading the zoning data, and it changed the zoning for this property to Germiston 1985 residential 1. Okay. On 28th of December, there was the address information pulled in from the SAP data, and so below that here are all the comments that you have made now. Okay, what you will notice there are the deletes. So that comment, the first comment was added, and there is now a deleted comment, and who deleted it, what the values were, and when it was deleted. Okay, and so it carries on, records everything, whether you added, change it, deleted, it's there. And so it will start recording everything. It will tell you all the emails that were sent from there. There you can see all your emails at the bottom. Okay. So there's a record being kept of whatever happens on that item. So the easiest way to find the order trail for an item is just to click on the order trail. It will highlight the order trail for this item. You are able to search through all order trails throughout the whole system. Okay, and we're not touching on that today. Okay, so beware of that, and that's why usernames and passwords are important. The order trail functionality can't be deleted by an administrator. Okay, it is actually nobody can delete it. You'll have to wipe the database to get that gone. Okay, good. So as you see, we're just stepping through some of these tools that are available to you, and you will see them in many places throughout the system. Yes.
With the audit trail, is it possible to filter or say I want to see what my colleague or person will be reporting to me, what they will be doing?
Yeah, well,
I want to filter specifically to their
yes, you can. I'm not going through that, but there is a systems-wide audit trail. I just want to see if we all have rights to that. There's audit trails there. That will allow you to search through all audit trails throughout the whole system, per user, per app. I'm not going to take you through that right now, but it is available. Yes, you can search through audit trails. Yeah. So what's important is just audit trails are sort of not formatted data. Okay, so it's a record of actions that take place. The idea is not to make them look pretty. They are merely there to keep a record of what transpires and to have evidence available. Okay, so the next little item that that you should be aware of is the bookmark one. You've all worked with bookmarks before, so the top there, if you click on bookmark, you will notice the little button turns to a sort of a red cross. That means that this property is bookmarked now. If you go home, click on the home button, you get right to the front again. You will notice the bottom is under bookmarks. There is now a bookmark for you. You can click on the bookmark and it will just jump you straight back to the item that you were at. Okay. Where's home? Yeah, you found home? Yeah, good. So there's no limit on the number of bookmarks. You can really just use as many of them as you want. They're a useful little tool. If you don't need a bookmark anymore, you can it's a toggle button, so you can just click on it again. Keep this bookmark, please, because we're going to illustrate some things for you later on again. What's the next little tool that's available to you is the go-to button that you will see just to the right or bottom of bookmarks. The go-to is just a quick item that maybe you're not going to see this now because that's fine. So it just gives you a quick access to all your bookmarks. It will also list your recent items that you were at, but because we now came straight through to bookmarks, it is not displayed. So anyway, your bookmarks will be available there. You can click on a bookmark and it will take you just to that property. Okay, so the go-to is just sort of a shortcut, if I can call it, to your items that you recently looked at, and then also to access your bookmarks. We've looked at layout. You've seen that. There's also a help button. The help provides, if you click on that, a pop-up screen, which is a sort of context-sensitive help. It will give you help on the screen that you are on, and it will explain a whole lot of things, what the various definitions for the various items, how it works, the various functions that are available, etc. So if you want more information on the screen that you're on, that help is available to you, and it will adjust based on where you are in the application.